Happy New Year! Elder Scrolls Online light attack is affect your DPS a lot. Player can make high damage use light attack between skill. It's like light attack skill to cancel the skill animation. But some new player need more time to train up this skill, so some player will use add-on or buy program keyboard to do that. Something like this, or this, and this, but those are not cheap. Now you can use Python do that for free. Here the code, not perfect but seem work. Let's work with any Python IDE. It's an open code, and welcome someone to develop it. Download the code from my GitHub. Open it, and run the code. That's it. Elder Scrolls Online default setting skill keybind are key 1 to 5. I use key 6 to 0 for program keybind. Important thing is don't use same key for program key. That means if you use key press R1 to 5, you cannot use key 1 to 5 for listener key. ESO add-on code perfect with sim help the missing light attack. Okay, run the code. Press key home will exit the program. You can see I use key 6 to 0 for listener key. And I use key 1 to 5 for key press key. Just same setting with Elder Scrolls default setting. You can check it in game setting. I bring the light attack helper to center. This add-on will show how much light attack we did. I hit key 1 to test. That not come with light attack. Here I just press key 6. You can see the counter up. This means the program work. You can see I will miss a light attack if I press key too fast. Or you can code press skill first and press light attack. Which way better? You can test it. Okay, I changed another target. Same, I press key 1 to test no light attack. Here I use the key with light attack. Download address will show on down below. Okay, hope you guys have fun with my code. Here I said again Happy New Year! Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.